Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is with therapy here. So to start off, the first tool that I'm using here is the cube massage roller. This helps to sculpt the abdomen and also break down that hard unwanted fat. So this is great for the areas where you have the most congested fats. This next tool that I'm using is called the engraved massage roller. This helps to promote circulation, and also it helps to stimulate circulation and turn over collagen, as well as help all the excess waste go to the lymphatic. The next tool I'm using here is called the vacuum Swiss cup. This is great for bringing down everything that I just broke down, all that unwanted fat, and bringing it down to the lymphatic system. So that's why you hear the pop, because it's great for bringing everything down. The last tool that I'm using today is the contour board. As you can see, it's for contouring the body. So all it's doing is bringing everything down, just like the Swiss cup, to the lymphatic drainage. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the end result. It's pretty red, but that's just normal. The procedure doesn't hurt. So this is our